Avalanche is the fastest and easiest roof snow removal tool on the market. Lightweight and easy to use, Avalanche is the world's best-selling snow removal tool. Wheels protect your roof. Choose Model 500 for shingled roofs. Choose Model 750 for tile, shake, or metal roofs. Removing roof snow with a regular roof rake is strenuous and can be dangerous. With Avalanche, you rest the cutter head on the roof edge, slide it up, and let Avalanche do the work for you. Avalanche is committed to quality. Our products are engineered to be tough and reliable for years of service. Easy snap-together design with a lightweight 16-foot fiberglass handle. Add convenient 4-foot handle extensions for extra reach.